up guys, Ryan here. Today I ordered something from CJ Pony Parts, but I'll open it and tell you what it is. It is a gas cap lock, a fuel cap. Cost me around $60. But I'll show you how to install this. Good quality of packaging. Yep. Alright guys, so this is probably one of the best things you could get for your car. Keeps from people vandalizing your car, putting stuff in it, taking your gas or anything robbery. So I think it's pretty important to have it. And this gives you with the alcohol, so you can clean it before installation. Right there, please clean the surface of the panel. The instructions. I think it's just easy to take out the other one and place this in. I'll show you in a bit. Alright guys, for this installation, you're really not gonna need anything for a Mustang. I don't know about other cars, but for a Mustang, you just take this out, wiggle it out, and eventually come out. And as for installation, you get this product that came with it, which is alcohol, and you just clean the inside of it, all this, the inside, and just twist it, make sure it fits, and that should be it. It's pretty easy install, and it also comes with 2 keys, which is really good. Make sure the keys fit as well before you install it. And that's basically it. I'll get back to you when I take this off and install everything else. Alright guys, after you have cleaned it well and taken this out, you can start installing it, which is gonna be pretty easy. Just twist, put it and twist. That's good. As of right now, it's on lock, so you can just, that's right there. It's put on correctly. I guess after you make sure you hand tighten it, or put it there. After you've put the fuel cap in, you get your key that comes with the fuel cap, and you twist to the right. Once you twist to the right, it should slow. Should be to move it. It won't come out. This just spins out, so nobody can get in, which is pretty good. Just simple installation. And to open it, just twist to the left. It should come out. It just comes out completely. Alright guys, the only bad things about it is when you're about to put gas, you might forget it and put it on top of your car. That's probably the only negative part. But as for the positives, it keeps people away from it. Your safety from your gas, if you have a race car or car you really care about, or even a car, any car. So I've seen some videos of people putting sugar in it, fucking up their car, taking people's gas, which is messed up. And yeah, that's the good parts and bad parts about it. Thank you guys for watching. It was a simple install. It took me about 5 minutes to install. I really recommend this for safety reasons. Make sure people won't steal your gas or put bad stuff in it. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and peace.